Before starting this video, I request you to press the red subscribe button, press the bell icon under the options menu, select all so that you won't miss any notifications from my channel. Drafting, tracing and embroidery. Here I have taken 2 sheets of Xerox paper and attached them. Now on the top edge I am marking 3 inches for the neck width. This is 6 inches and we have to take half of that. On the lower side again mark 3 inches line and make a box of it. Here I am using 6 inches of neck depth. You can adjust according to your measurements. On the lower side mark on half inch and 2 points, approx 1/4 inch, and again mark 6 inches downwards. Now from this point make a curve to give it a nice round shape or U shape. Taking 1 inch, we will make a slanting line to make a V. Now here again mark 1 inch and 2 points as a width. We have to mark these dots all around the neckline so that can draw another line with equal distance. Mark till the top of the neckline. Measure 3 inches as it is required while doing the border all around it. Now join these dots. Again join these dots with the outer shape of neckline. Now darken this with dot pen, all these with dot pen, because we have to make a tracing out of it. That's why I am using this pointed pen. Again make a small parallel shape with 2 points of distance all around those necklines, the inner side of the neckline and the outer as well. Here I am starting doing a square motif on this round shape of neckline. See how you have to do this on fabric. This is just to give you an overview. This way we have to make these square motifs all around this U shape. Now on the lower V shape we have to make these square motifs. Tracing is helpful when you are new to this embroidery, else do this on one side and after counting the number of the squares and number of stitches you can easily make this on another side. Now starting the neckline border, this is again a different border style. I am showing this first time on my channel, so watch carefully here how it has to be turned. This is the second step of this border which I am making, as this is a curve shaped, so we have to adjust according to the curve. In a straight line it is easy, but in a curve we have to take care about the distance. Now next, start from this point. This way we have to start, and now the same border has to be made on this straight line. This is how it will look. Now completing the lower V part of this motif. I have shown this on a standard neckline size. You can count down these stitches. On this V part I have made 7 stitches, and on the straight line 11, and on the curve I think 16 or 21 stitches have been made. I will count and then show you. This way we have to make the whole design. Now open the paper and you can see that the impression of the one side of neck design has been easily visible. We have to darken this all around, and the same motif will be visible on this side. Now with the help of carbon paper you can easily trace it down on your fabric. Now showing you how to do the neckline. First we will do the outer lines, neck shape lines with the back stitch. On the center we will make these squares in this manner. From here go to the downwards and then cover it. Border can be made all around like this, or you can divide it in 2 parts. Split from here and then do the first step, then do the second step and the third step and then fourth one, and it will be finished. This way we have to make on both sides. I want to show you these corners, how we have to make a single cluster and a 4 square motif, a single cluster and a square motif. On this edge we have to make a single cluster. Simple. The numbers of these motifs, square motifs, should be equal on both sides, and for the proper finishing of neckline it is necessary to do this. Count down the stitches and then do this if you are not tracing. On the center I will make 3 square motifs. Let's get started the embroidery. Here I am making back stitch using 4 strands of thread. We have to make this back stitch all around the neck shape. To give it a volume, we will fill it with zigzag, or you can say herringbone stitch. Here I am using brown color thread. This is how back stitch has to be done. Now with the help of yellow color thread I am filling these stitches, neck lines, to give it a volume. It also looks very beautiful. As you can see, you have to fill all around the neck shape. Now showing you the square motif. I am not showing this complete. You can check my first video of my channel. I am giving a link in the description box. A separate video has been made. The purpose of showing this outline stitches how you have to adjust these squares according to the curve of neckline. This way, from this point, if you start, you can easily set on the neckline or downwards. I am doing it with a single color thread. You can use 2 colors in an alternative manner. That also looks very beautiful. This way we have to make these square motifs all around the neckline in the center. This way we have to stretch these squares so that they look in a round shape. Border design as well as the details about in part B of this video. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Thank you.